What's the meaning of Cecil B. De Mille? Cecil B. De Mille. Cecil B. De Mille.
Cecil B. De Mille. Cecil B. De Mille. Cecil B. De Mille was an American film director, producer, and screenwriter. He is best known for directing epic films such as The Ten Commandments and Cleopatra. De Mille was one of the most successful and influential filmmakers in the early days of Hollywood. He helped to shape the film industry into what it is today through his innovative techniques and grandiose productions. De Mille became a legendary figure in Hollywood, and his name has become synonymous with classic Hollywood filmmaking.